Okay, so in today's video, for those of you that are using Google Chrome browser and you are experiencing a new addition to the top bar here, such as the Ask Gemini button, and you're wondering what the heck is it and how do I get rid of it? So it's actually pretty straightforward. If you just click on Ask Gemini, it'll appear on your sidebar and you can ask it questions, start chatting and ask all your kind of AI relevant questions should you wish to. Most of us probably don't really want to use that, and also it's just another distraction up in this top bar where we normally minimize, maximize, or close the program. So it's just in the way, really. So if you want to get rid of it, all you need to do is to right click on the bar at the top and choose unpin Gemini. There you go. Now, if for some reason later on down the line you think actually that would be kind of useful for me, then all we do, right click and choose pin Gemini. And as a bonus tip, for those of you that are looking at the absolute other side of the top bar, you've got the down arrow there, which shows all of your previous tabs. If you don't want to have that on display, that's pretty easy also. Right click at the top here and choose unpin tab search. And there you go, it's gone. Again, if you want to put it back because it's actually reasonably useful for you, just click on that, pin tab search. It comes back, you can click on that to see your previously opened tabs. But I think for most of you, the Ask Gemini thing is going to be the one that you're going to want to get rid of. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a regular basis, hit subscribe and all that usual YouTube stuff. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.